Hello, I hope you're doing well. Well, in this video I am going to buy a domain. Well, here in this website hosting24.com. Well, first you have to enter this site, then click here, domains. Now you have to enter the name of your domain. And click right here and check it. It says that the domain is available. Well, here if you want a different extension, here you can choose that live, that digital, that email. After you select the extension, you have to click right here in add to cart, and then click right here in verify cart and checkout. Well, now you have to select the period that you want the domain. Can be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Here it says the cost of the first year, but after the first year, every year you will have to pay $10, but it can vary, depends of the domain that you selected and the extension. Well, right here you can choose this option to hide your personal information if you want. Well, then you have to click right here in checkout. Here, if you don't have account, you have to fill this form, write your name, your mail, your password. But if you already have account here, you have to log in here. You have to type your mail and your password. Then you have to click right here in login and checkout. Here you have to select the payment method. I will select with credit card. After you added all the information, you have to click right here in pay now. Well, here you will receive in your mail notification of your purchase. Then you will have to click right here in home, and later here you will have to click setup of the domain that you purchase. And in this part, well, if you don't have a domain profile, you have to add a new one. Just click right here and fill the form. And when you already have a domain profile, you have to click right here in finish registration. And then here you just have to click continue. Well, in this part you just have to verify your domain. Just click right here in resend verification email. After you open your mail, you just have to click in the link to verify your domain. And then finally you have to click right here in verified mail. And now you will see the status of the domain as active. Now you are able to use the domain. Well, thanks a lot for watching the video. Well, in the next video I am going to talk about how to link the domain with a hosting. Well, remember to subscribe so you won't miss my next video, or or here there is another video that might interest you. Well, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope the best for you in this day. Bye.